Do you have your car packed with a winter storm emergency kit? Car coach Lauren Fix has some things you can put in your car right now so you don't get caught off guard.
We're wondering if you're ready for winter.
What winter?
I was wondering if we could look in your trunk and see if you're ready for winter.
Sure, I guess.
Do you have an emergency kit?
Well, I do have some bottles of wine. The only thing I really have is my first aid kit.
You should also carry some protein bars or something in case you get stuck on the side of the road. Or if you have any medications that you need to have, carry a few extra with you.
Well, that'll fill the whole trunk.
Do you have like jumper cables or jump start boxes?
I actually think my wife has those, but I did have them at one time.
One of the most important things to think about is brakes. So you might want to, make sure your brakes are good for the winter because you got to stop this thing. It's like a tank.
How does the tire look as far as wear?
Well, if you got a quarter on you, I'll tell you. When you can see the top of his hairdo, and you almost can right there, it's probably ready for tires. You want to check it in a couple different spots. See here, further in, you see how I can see the top of his head?
Yeah.
So this tire is probably ready to be replaced. Not very smart to leave all your packages in the back of your car. Look at this little doggy. He's in the car, he's all by himself. When it gets really cold, there's no circulation of air. These animals can freeze to death. Oh my Lord, this woman is prepared. You've got everything. You've got LED batteries, you've got oil, and extra wiper blades. I love it. They left their purse on the seat, not the smartest thing on the planet. You ready for winter?
No.
No? Do you have an emergency kit?
Nope, I sure don't.
Do you have jumper cables?
Those are actually in my other car.
Your other car?
Yeah. It's Buffalo. What do you expect? It's the same thing, Snow falls, you smile.
All right, that tire tip is important. We've got to talk about driving on snow, but what about black ice? This is a huge problem because you can't see it, right? It's transparent. The reason we call it black ice is because, well, it's transparent. You see the asphalt, so that color is black typically, so we call it black ice.